What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about the .find and .count methods for strings. So first, let's talk about the .find method. So first, we have to create a string. So we can just create string equals, and let's say we can just say Python is fun to learn. And then now we got to use a .find. And basically what the .find is used for is you can basically find the indice of any character inside the string. So let's say we print string.find. And now we can put in what character we want to find in our string. So let's say we want to find an O. Then we will put an O here and save this. Now when we run this, it should be print the indice of O. And here we have our first O at the fourth indice. This could be useful in many ways, like for a password. Let's say you want to have a password that has the letter O at the fourth indice, and only then it'll accept the password. So it'd be more of an unconventional type password system this could be used for. So now let's talk about the .count method. So the .count counts how many of the character there are in the string based on your given character. So we can use O in this example, and we can save this. Let's quickly run this, and there are two O's because the first one's right here, and the second one is right about here. So I'm just going to type some gibberish here. Quickly, just type some random letters. So if I just type some random letters, right? You can just say J right here and save this. And then this should print out how many J's there are. So there are 5 J's. Now, let's see how we could use this in the real world. And before I show you this, I'm just gonna request that if you like my content and you're getting some useful information and learning from this video, please consider subscribing, and it helps support the channel and motivates me to make more videos to help people learn the code. So now let's get into the project. So the project I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to make a password, an unconventional password system. So we can have an input from the user first. So we can say string, or we'll say password equals input. Then we can put the quotations, and then we'll say password. And we'll ask them for their password. And now we can use an if statement. Say if password dot find, and then we can say, let's say p equals 4 for the fourth indice. We can put a colon. Then we can just say print you have a good password. And then we can use an else statement and say else print you have a wrong password. Now I'll save this and run it and see if it works. So we'll be asked for the password, and we want to have P as our fourth indice. So we can just say A, D, F, G, P, and then just gibberish after that, and hit enter. And it says you have a good password because our fifth letter or our fourth indice was P when that's what we typed in. And now let's test out if the wrong password system. We'll just run the program again and just type in gibberish, and when we enter, it says you have the wrong password. So that's it for today's video, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.